How to replace oxygen sensor on freelander tool. The tools need wrench, extension if you need a level. Use this screwdriver to disconnect the electric wiring connector, torch, and 22mm special tool. This is the tool, special tool. The wire goes from that open cut. This one is useful. This one also did the same job, but I feel this one is better. I got a whole set of tools. Yes, I tried this one, but it's just too high. When you screw, it's just not enough force. But if the sensor not stuck, that's okay. But if it's stuck, maybe this one is better. Now I will just put on my gloves. I have to use one hand to take pictures. So first, open the hood. Move the engine cover, just like this. Then put the torch somewhere behind here. Put the torch over there to give some lights. Then disconnect the connector. Push this down. Pull the wire behind. This is the sensor. This is how you just slide in there and unscrew it out. This is how. Yes. This is how it works.